Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent a lot of time searching for the perfect toothbrush that actually makes a noticeable difference. Well, today, I have something that promises to give you that ultra-clean feeling we all crave, the Bymore Electric Toothbrush. This isn't just any ordinary toothbrush. It features advanced sonic vibration technology and comes with 8 replacement heads, making it a travel-friendly powerhouse of a tool. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Bymore Electric Toothbrush is designed to provide a deep clean with its powerful sonic vibration technology. Its key feature is the sonic cleaning action, which is designed to provide 40,000 strokes per minute, ensuring a thorough cleaning that traditional manual brushes just can't match. The toothbrush comes in a sleek pink color, and it includes 8 replacement heads, so you're set for a while before needing to buy extras. Its rechargeable battery ensures that it's perfect for travel, offering convenience and portability without the need for frequent charging. Now, when I first tried the Bymore Electric Toothbrush, I was impressed by how comfortable the handle felt. It's ergonomic, lightweight, and easy to grip. I used it both in my morning routine and at night, and I immediately noticed how smooth and clean my teeth felt after just one use. The brush has multiple modes, including one for sensitive teeth and a whitening mode, which makes it adaptable to different oral care needs. In terms of performance, this toothbrush definitely stands out. The sonic vibrations felt strong, but not uncomfortable. I also noticed that my teeth were visibly whiter after about 14 days. As the product claims, the oscillating movements really help to clean between the teeth, and I found that my gums felt healthier as well, less irritation and more freshness throughout the day. Now, like any product, it has its pros and cons. On the plus side, the toothbrush is incredibly easy to use, and the battery life is impressive. After using it for several days, I didn't feel the need to charge it constantly, which was a big plus for me, especially during travel. The sonic technology truly does deliver on its promise of a deeper clean. The additional replacement heads are also a nice touch, ensuring you get more value for your money. On the downside, while it's a great toothbrush, it's not the most powerful electric toothbrush I've used, and it might not be ideal for those who need super high-end performance. The vibration can also be a little too intense for people with very sensitive gums, so you may need to adjust the settings based on your needs. The pink color is cute, but it's a bit more on the feminine side, so if you prefer a more neutral look, this might not be your style. So, is it worth the money? In my opinion, yes. The Bymore Electric Toothbrush offers a solid combination of performance, convenience, and value. For its price point, you get a lot of extras, including the replacement heads, making it a pretty good deal. It certainly delivers results, especially for those looking for a daily brush that does more than just the basics. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're someone who travels a lot or just likes the idea of having a reliable toothbrush on the go, this could be a great option. Plus, the fact that it provides a whiter smile in just a few weeks is a nice bonus. If you're looking for something with more intense performance or specific features, you might want to look into higher-end models, but for everyday use, this toothbrush is fantastic. Thank you for watching. If you've used the Bymore Electric Toothbrush, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.